Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the antutu test comparison between the OnePlus Nord versus the POCO X3 smartphone. The reason why I'm doing this video because the OnePlus Nord has the Snapdragon 765G processor, whereas the POCO X3 has the Snapdragon 732G processor. So this 732G is the latest processor from the Snapdragon. So let's see how the 732G will be gone with the 765G processor as well. So if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I did order my POCO X3 and it's coming on its way. So very soon I'll be doing plenty of comparison reviews with other smartphones in terms of the display, battery and everything. So let's see friends, in this video which processor will be scoring the highest antutu benchmark test here. So right now in the OnePlus Nord, you can see the results I have already done, 3,22,000. So far these pretty good scores. So whereas in the Snapdragon 732G, the results are close to 3,01,500 as you can clearly see. So it's a kind of difference of 15,000 to 20,000 difference is there between the Snapdragon 732G versus the Snapdragon 765G. So this is not the major difference. I would say this is a very little different, but finally the Snapdragon 732G is crossing that kind of 3 lakhs benchmark range in the antutu benchmark, as you can see. So that's the one good advantage. If you compare with the previous 730G, it scored only 2,71,000. So there is a 30,000 difference between those two processors, and from 732G to the 765G there is a difference of 15,000 to 20,000. So this is the overall benchmark comparison test between the OnePlus Nord and the POCO X3 smartphone friends, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more interesting antutu benchmark test results and everything. So as I said, the POCO X3 is coming on its way, and definitely I'll be doing plenty of in-depth reviews on the POCO X3 in terms of the display, camera, charging and everything. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. And also do check the links in description for the live wallpapers what I am using in this video. So that's it for this video. Bye.